Hey guys, it's Will here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Today we got a super unique Jeep Wrangler 4xe. It's going to be a 2024 model. It's going to be in the Earl Pearl Coat. Got something cool going on up top. Probably wondering what that is. So that's going to be a Ursa Minor camper conversion kit. So you got a little sleeper up there. Got some storage up top for your luggage. Super cool. Don't see many of them like that around here. So it'd be perfect for, your off-road trip and you plan on camping out for a little bit. So up in the front here, we got a worn winch. Got front and rear steel bumpers. And of course, standard with the 4xe, you got the blue tow hooks, LED lighting, your vented hood. Looks like we got some Baja Designs off-road lights. This one's also going to feature a AEV lift kit. I believe it's 2 inches. It's going to be sitting on some 37-inch BFG KO3s, which are wrapped around a 17-inch AEV Bora, I guess like a satin or matte black wheel. Looks really good. Got your rock rails. You're also going to get your paint to match fenders. Open up the driver's door, let you have an interior shot as well. So you got your black Napa leather. Got your cold weather package. So that's going to include your heated seats, heated steering wheel, and remote start. Got the upgraded 12.3-inch touchscreen display. Got your perforated leather on the dash with the blue stitching. And the follow up with that, you also got your blue stitching in the steering wheel. Looks like they kind of added some blue anodized accents around your controls. Got your spare fuel tank. Super clean. I believe this one only has like 7,000 miles. I do apologize, it's starting to rain. It's been raining all week here in Louisville, Kentucky, making it tricky to get good content for my viewers, but I'm working with it. Oh, before I forget, got the LED taillights, upgraded tire carrier so we can hold up that big 37-inch tire. Kind of give you a sky view of this the Ursa camper conversion kit. And the texture of it's kind of like a rhino line, texture. Super rough and rugged. I mean, all around it's super cool Jeep. I mean, I really like the Earl Pearl Coat. I think the AEV wheels go great with the I guess build or the look that they were going for. I'm kind of on the fence about the camper, but if that's something you enjoy doing, going off-roading and camping, in your vehicle, I mean, this is a super sweet option that you got. And that's the good thing about this one is it's already done. If you're looking for something like that, you don't have to go buy you a Jeep and then do the conversion kit. It's already done, already ready and prepared for you. But yeah, super great Jeep. And it's right here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you think of this Earl, camper conversion kit. Do you like it? Do you not like it? So also feel free to check out our website. That's going to be crossjeep.com. You can also contact me, text or call. That number is going to be 502-537-1738. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys.